We're going to set up your high-level profile. This is in the Settings tab under My Profile. The first thing you do is set up a profile image. Select the camera icon and upload a pic the same way you do in any other social media application. Next, we have first name, last name, email, phone number. You can't change the email. This is the email you use to purchase the product. Basically, it's your billing email. You can't change it, but you can contact your agency administrator and have them change the email for the sub-account. Then we have the primary calendar setting. A default calendar will be set up when you purchase the sub-account. Just select your calendar and leave the platform language as is. In the signature section, you can set up an email signature the same way you do in any other email service. One pro tip though, if you include your address and phone number in the signature, the major email servers like Google are more likely to deliver your email to the inbox and not the spam folder. You can change your password. You can sign out everywhere. You can set up a two-factor. I don't know why it's here. HighLevel already has a two-factor set up. Email two-way sync. Don't mess with this. This is complicated and takes a video all of its own. Then we have the calendar settings. The system gives you the functionality to sync the calendar you're currently using, like Google or Outlook, to your HighLevel appointment calendar. That way, before an appointment is booked in HighLevel, it will check your Google Calendar and see if there's a conflict. If there is a conflict, then the appointment calendar will not open that time slot. The way you set this up is select the Add New button, and a list of available calendar integrations will pop. Just select the one you use and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your calendar to the HighLevel system. In the calendar configuration, you'll see the linked calendar and the conflict calendars. They should be the same. The conflict calendar is where you can select special calendars inside the calendar you just linked. The linked calendar is set by default, but if you want, you can check for conflicts in other calendars within that calendar. Otherwise, HighLevel will just check the main Google Calendar for conflict dates and times. In the additional calendar settings, private mode is auto-selected, and always view your appointments in business time zone. Then we get into schedules. You currently have one calendar, but you can set up several calendars for the same user. In one calendar, you may be available on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for one service. In another calendar, you may only be available on Tuesdays and Thursdays for another service. Setting your time zone is very important. The system will automatically set the corresponding time zone for the person booking the appointment. In the working hours, you're basically setting your availability. It's pretty easy. You just select the days that you want to be available and then set the time for each day. If you set the time for one day, you can select the copy icon and copy that day across all the others. You can also select specific hours for a date. If you know you're only going to be available for certain hours on a certain date, you can select the date and set the hours for that date. Once you've done this, don't forget to update the availability. You need to do that a few times just to make sure that it saves. And this is pretty much how you set up your personal profile.